So, OEM Denso compressor was replaced, and it comes with instructions. An OEM Denso condenser was replaced. OEM expansion valve was replaced. Denso. All the hoses, pipes, and lines with the pressure sensor. Everything is brand new. It's all on, you see my vacuum pumps out there, and you can see the car with the hood up right now. And it got brand new OEM evaporator with instructions. You know, guys don't like to read instructions. They say you just put parts in, you don't need to read. Yeah, you see a lot of comebacks with that. Guys read, and this guy's very lucky. He's at a very good shop, so he's not going to have to worry about his system. And the customer actually wanted everything brand new and OEM. So he'll keep this car and he'll have reliable AC because it's all Denso parts. See you guys later. OEM, it's the way to go.